Yann. I'm the founder of eScience Data Factory, a French research and development company specialized in data with inclusive values and an ambitious mission, placing data at the service of a better world. As we strongly believe that nowadays data is at the center of everything, we provide unique and innovative solutions to transform data into value creation for all types of organizations. We are here today as a proud co-founder of the Space Cooperative Europe, the first European space cooperative at the service of collective intelligence, a true knowledge hub and innovation center where each partner is actively working to promote the advancement of spatial and geospatial organization. In conformity with our human and responsible value, we are convinced of the efficiency of the cooperative system to foster co-creation and creation of added value for all the partners involved. As history has shown, alone we go faster, together we go further, so let's work together at the service of a better world.